Good morning and Assalamualaikum students, fellows. Hope you fine and previous Eid Mubarak all of you. So let's start our new lecture. Present perfect continue tense. So please, for our best understanding for grammar, so please my previous lecture watching. Okay, so let's start with the present perfect continuous tense. That firstly I writing the definition of a present perfect continuous tense. That's present perfect continuous tense is the tense that action which began to in the past still continuing. Okay, and now what's recognition for a present perfect continuous tense in a Urdu? That's show to Urdu sentences रहा है at the end of Urdu recognition. रहा है और रही है और रहे. This slide रहा है वो सुबह से सो रहा है. So a sentence show to रहा है रही है that continue tense but with the time point or with the time period. So वो सुबह से सो रहा है. The सुबह से सो रहा है, it's a point of time that represent to present perfect continue tense. So next English recognition, the use of has been or have been with the time point or with the time period. Just like he has been sleeping since morning. And what's difference for time periods or time point? Just like वो सुबह से सो रहा है, that represent to or show to morning time point. And we discuss in a detail my next lecture present perfect continue tense, the difference between since or for in detail my next lecture. But now we start definitions, Urdu recognition or English recognition. So let's the use of has been or has been with time point or time period. Okay, just the example of he has been sleeping since morning. Okay, and the next they have been watching TV for 2 hours. So just like to the use of a since of time of point of time, that's just like since with the morning, evening, or afternoon. But you saying that they have been watching for 2 hours. So 2 hours, we don't know 2 hours, not to mention or for a time. 2 hours. That's represent 2 hours, night 2 hours, evening or a morning in not detail. So we use to for 2 hours because we use for, that's why it's not represent the point of time. Okay, so thank you so much. So please see my next lecture. So thank you so much.